Hello people, this is Urbanized Media. Welcome back again to this channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I post a new video you will get notified. In this video, I'm going to explain the importance or the significance of Ogbiriefi cow rope in an Igbo event. So, in an Igbo event, cow rope or Ogbiriefi represents a live cow. It means the person that is gifting out that Ogbiriefi to the celebrant is giving the person a cow, but now in cash. Maybe the person doesn't want to come with a live cow because of the inconveniences or whatever. So the person now comes with Ogbiriefi, after which the person will now give the person the cash equivalent of that live cow. That is how it's done in Igbo tradition. In this video, you can see so many Ogbiriefi, so many cow ropes, more than 20. It must be a very big event. It must be a very big event. It means the person is getting the equivalent of that cow in cash for each of the rope being given back to him by all the people. So watch and enjoy this video and see how things went down.
In fact, as I was in the power Thank you.